really cannot beat the sound of this car. It sounds so damn good with the HKS cams in here, straight piped. It is a little bit on the loud side. I may switch over to like a 3-inch actual exhaust system in the future, but for now we're gonna run the straight pipe. All right guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Before we pull the Evo in the shop today, we have a few little things to do on the FRS. Mainly just putting our new Walmart battery in there, which was $60. I want to do like a long-term review on it, see if it actually holds up, and then finish up the pinstriping on the front end. So let's go bust out the FRS and then we can get to work on the cool car. I'm not discriminating against FRSs, I'm really hyped on the Evo right now. This here is the battery we picked up, EverStart. I should probably put an N in front of that. It'll probably be a Never Start value battery, but hey, it had a 1-year warranty or replacement. So if it quits within the next year, which I'm pretty sure it will, actually, you know, that's a bad thing to say. I'm not gonna say that. I don't really know. This thing is gonna be powering quite a bit of stuff. We have the footwell kit. We will be doing underglow on the car eventually. The crazy headlights. What else do we have powering off the battery? We have a lot of stuff running off this battery, so if this thing holds up, I'll be very, very surprised. $65 out the door at Walmart. All right, battery's in the car. Let's try to fire this thing up. See if it'll even start the car. It's like buffing compound all over this thing too, damn. Hey. That's a good sign, I guess. It starts. All right, we need to bolt the bumper on and then we can pinstripe the splitter just like we have on the side skirts. Same exact color, and it matches the Brembos perfectly and all the other little green stuff you have going on. So yeah, let's get this thing bolted on. Damn. Well, that is the finished look for the front end on the FRS. Go drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. God damn. Only the super OGs of the channel will remember this diffuser. I bought it, it was probably like two and a half years ago for the Evo 10. It said it was for the Evo 10 and clearly it was for an Evo 8 or Evo 9. So I've had this diffuser stored away for like 2 years, waiting for the day that I have the Evo 8 to put it on. We finally have the Evo 8, so I figured, well, it is a replica diffuser and I'm not a huge fan of replica parts. Let's throw it on the car. In the future, if I like how it looks on the car with the JDM bumper, we can then pick up a authentic carbon fiber Voltex diffuser. But yeah, this thing's a two-piecer. It's like $300 to $400. If you guys want to pick up a rep, which I would convince you guys to just go authentic, but if you want to pick up a rep, I'll have this link down in the description box below. So like I said, this thing is a two-piece diffuser. Right down the center, it was cut, I'm guessing for shipping purposes. It came straight from China or Taiwan. Pretty sick. I'm gonna bolt it together real quick, and then we can see, I don't even know if it fits the JDM bumper or not, but I'm guessing it will, and we can get up on the car. They sent me this stuff right here too, which I don't know if I'll use. So this diffuser is about 2 inches too narrow to fit this bumper. I went online, did some reading, and it turns out the JDM and US Voltex rear diffusers are different. The US is a little bit more narrow, JDM's wider, so it's not gonna fit our JDM bumper, unfortunately. With that being said, if anyone wants this diffuser, shoot me a DM over on Instagram, and I'll hook you up with a pretty good deal on it. But with that being said, we do have one more mod we can do on the Evo 8 today. Let's go ahead and open it up. So what we have here are a set of side skirt extensions. I got these off eBay as well a while back, and these things should fit just fine. I really like the style of the skirts that are on this car already. The Voltex or the Varis do look better, but the OEM skirts on the 8 I think look really nice in my opinion with a side skirt extension. Let's see how well these things fit on the car. If you want to pick a set of these up, you already know, description box below. Well, we got the first side skirt on. I really like how that looks. It looks super nice on the car. Here is the passenger side, and how they sit up on the car. There's a short stub right here. You guys see that? And then a longer one back there. The shorter one goes to the front of the car. There's 8 self-tapping screws per side, and I'm throwing 2 up front, 2 in the back, and then the other 4 right in the center here, evenly spaced out. And that's how it looks on the car. Looks super sick. Oh yeah guys, I think those look so damn sick on the car. What do you think? Drop a comment down below. The only thing that's kind of hard is getting out of the car without stepping on them, but same concept as the FRS and the Evo 10. We're running skirts on both of those, so I'm kind of used to it, but yeah, just make sure you don't rip those things off. This thing's coming along for sure. Alright, everything we used in today's video will be linked down below. The diffuser we tried to put on, the skirts, the green pinstriping that I get a lot of DMs on Instagram about. I'll even throw the Walmart battery down in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think of the new skirts on the Evo 8. I think they look sick. Obviously not quite as crazy as like a Varis set or a Voltex set, but those are $1,000 plus. These ones were like less than 100. Peace out guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, which is hopefully a tuning video.